81-78 as we head to the fourth and final quarter between Ateneo and CSB for game number 4 of our quadruple header here inside the Blue Eagle Gym. Thank you for joining us, Yoyo Sarmiento on the call. This is the 2026 National Student Athlete Championship College Basketball Campus Tour. Still have 4 more games tomorrow here inside the Blue Eagle Gym. Then next week we'll head to UP. The chance now for CSB to tie or make it a 1-point game. They were down by as many as 14 back in the second period, down by 9 at the half. Here we go. Near steal by Tuano. Celis recovers. No. Out of bounds is Rafi Celis. Bahay to Bongo. Bongo sees an opening with the left hand. Bongo. Kahukom with the right. Let's get the bounce. Tuano pushing. Ateneo has starters Tuano, Bahay, and Baltazar. Step through by Bahay, but he is fouled by Galas, and Galas is disappointed with the call, to say the least. Warning will be assessed on Iril Galas. Bahay now in double digits after that free throw. One of 3 players from Ateneo in double figures, alongside Tuano and Gamber. Two for two for Bahay. Quick 4-0 start for Ateneo to start the final frame, and Blazers turn it over. Jared Bahay. It is a 7-0 split by Ateneo to start the period. Timeout on the floor. Ateneo establishing order. Back inside the Blue Eagle Gym in Ateneo, where the Blue Eagles have a 10-point advantage. It was a 3-point game to start the period, but a 7-0 run by Ateneo, capped off by a 3 by Jared Bahay, has made it a double-digit game. Blazers have not scored here in the payoff period. They go to their MVP, Liwag, hook shot, no. Bongo, foul from behind by Celis.
Foul number 35, Rafi Celis. His first personal foul. 17 foul.
Blue Eagles have cranked up their defense here in the fourth. And here they are on offense. Bahay scored the last 5 points for Ateneo. Bahay, another 3. No. Tuano in the paint. (9-0) run by Ateneo. Foul as Sanchez was making his baseline drive. They left Sean Tuano all alone in the paint. And Tuano knows what to do with it. JM Leal just checked back into the ball game for Bongo. And that was the first 2 points by CSB in the 4th period, courtesy of Alan Liwag. Alas with the left hand. Alas now in double digits with 10. Liwag. Basket is good. And put him on the line. Alan Liwag scored the last 2 buckets for the Blazers.
His second personal foul. Substitution for Ateneo.
Liwag up to 15 points now.
For the Bonusha, Alan Liwag.
Liwag has scored the last 5 points for the Blazers. Bahay, they swing it. Alas short. Sanchez is slapped from behind.
His third personal foul.
3rd personal on Jared Bahay. Ball is stopped by Espina. The Eagles have outscored the Blazers 11-5 here in the 4th. They go to Liwag once again. Sorry, that's Sanchez. Sanchez is fouled.
Foul number 12, Jacob Leon. His 4th personal foul. Team score.
4th foul on JM Leal, the rookie for Ateneo.
For 2 shots, Justin Sanchez.
Sanchez was huge in the 2nd and 3rd periods. One of 3 players from the Blazers in double digits. He has 14. Goes 2 for 2. Espina nearly lost it. Leal. They go to Baltazar. CSB asking for a travel. Espina fading to his right. It's good. 6 minutes left. Waki Espina gives Ateneo a 9-point lead. The cut. And Liwag with the putback. All Allen Liwag here in the fourth for the Blazers. Espinosa hits the back of the rim. Ball will stay with Ateneo.
Seconds on the shot clock.
Torres held Espinosa. Gamber returns to the court replacing Alas. Gamber has 15 points, highlighted by 4 threes.
14 seconds to shoot.
That is a traveling violation called on Espina. And Espina took offense. Something happened in the paint. Pudador tried to calm down Espina. Now, there's a lot of chirping in mid-court. Cooler heads trying to prevail. We have 5 minutes left in this contest.
Ball technical foul by number 20, Justine Sanchez.
So here's what transpired.
And number 19, Juan Espina.
Sorry, it was not that play. The play was the drive by Waki Espina. A traveling call was on Espina, and he took offense on Justin Sanchez. A double technical foul was called on Sanchez and Espina. So no free throws was awarded on either side.
Number 2, Kyle Gamber. His second personal foul. Penalty.
Tensions rising here in the fourth. 5:06 remaining. Sanchez knocks down the first. So it was Sanchez versus Espina moments ago. Here's Sanchez at the line. One more free throw for Sanchez.
Justine Sanchez for the substitute free throw.
So because of that substitute free throw, he knocks it down. Back to a 5-point game. Five minutes left. Gamber. They swing it. Kyle has it. Gamber nowhere to go. Has to pass it. Foul on the pass. Blazers were wary of Gamber making a three. They put 2 on him. Foul on the pass. Second miss at the line for Gamber. But he is a perfect 4 for 4 from beyond the arc. A split at the line by Gamber. Jomel and Ancheta re-enters the ball game, replacing Podador. Ancheta whips a pass to the corner. Torres. Jumper is off. Ian Espinosa pushing pace. Spins. Espinosa with a oohs and ahs from the crowd. Espinosa timed it perfectly. Able to spin against his defender for 2. Liwag, 3. Off to the left. That should be a foul on Alas. Pushing off on the rebound opportunity. Foul number 4 on Kiefer. However, Celis can capitalize, misses on his first free throw. Coming up on the 4-minute mark. 7-point game. Tuano through traffic. Put back, no. Another chance for Ateneo. Espinosa goes one-on-one. Tuano, 3. Got it! Back to a double-digit lead by Ateneo. Ancheta free to score. Another 3 on the way. They swing it. It is with Tuano. Hit a 3 just a few moments ago. They gave it to Alas. Back outside to Bongo. No. Luigas get another crack at the basket. The tip. Ball goes back to Ateneo. 5 to shoot. Espinosa into traffic. No. Liwag has it. Under 3 minutes left. Liwag to Sanchez. Blazers still fighting. 6-point game. Celis read that pass perfectly. One-on-one against Tuano. Celis. Clean up job by Liwag. You can't cat out the CSB Blazers. Alas, bounce pass. The Bongo, Tuano. Jumper, it's good! A long 2 by Tuano. Last 2 minutes. And we will go the other way. Substitutions on both sides. Here's that long 2 foot on the line for Tuano. They will review that last play. You're seeing it that right now 2 Blazers fell on the floor. There was a block by Gamber. Ancheta and Celis went for it. So last touch, CSB. Bai is back in. Luigas looking for the knockout punch. Bahay decelerates, but ran out of steps. Blazers still have a pulse, but it's faint. They only have 1:35 remaining. Both teams are 1-0 coming off wins over LPU. Sanchez, they go to Liwag. Liwag against Bongo. Liwag is fouled. Drew Bongo has fouled out. Liwag, after that slow start, had 8 points in the first half. Liwag now has 22. What a second half surge by the two-time NCAA MVP. Blazers kept looking for Liwag, and he has responded here in the second half. Back to a 4-point game, 1:17 remaining. Still anybody's ball game. Ateneo has led for most of the game. Led by as many as 14. Led by 9 at the half. Led by 3 entering the fourth. They give it to their leading scorer, Sean Tuano. Back to Espinosa. Shot clock now a factor. Bahay with 3. Bahay fading. Bahay in and out. And with 51 seconds left, our officials will review that last out-of-bounds sequence. Our referees have that power in the last 2 minutes to review those kinds of out-of-bounds scenarios. So is it Ancheta or is it Baltazar? That is the question right now. Tough to see whether or not it is Jomel Ancheta or Logan Baltazar who touched it last. It's a crucial possession. Ateneo had a double-digit lead halfway through the fourth, but Liwag and company came alive. So last touch by Ancheta. Last touch by Baltazar, rather. It is CSB ball. .50 left. Torres, 3, off to the left. Difference of 16 seconds between the two clocks. Foul on Sanchez.
Foul number 20, Justine Sanchez. Justine Sanchez, 5 fouls.
And that was the 5th and final foul on Justin Sanchez. Sanchez exits the ballgame with 19 points, 4 rebounds. Sanchez, by the way, missed only 2 shots, 7 of 9 from the field. Bahay's first free throw is good. 2-possession game, 103-98. A split by Jared Bahay, 30 seconds left. And with 24 seconds left, CSB will call for time. They're still down by 5. We go to Torres. 3 on the way. Too strong. Rebound Ancheta. Again too strong. Ball is batted out. CSB ball, and they will review.
The last play of the review.
So they went with a Morales 3. It was off, and then Ancheta with the putback, he also missed it, too strong, and now the ball was batted out. So it was between Baltazar and Liwag. Ball will stay with the Blazers, but the game clock reads 12.8. They're down by 5. Celis to inbound. Morales once again. This time it's good. Blazers still alive. They're not fouling. Now there's a foul.
Foul number 34, Alan Dipa. Penalty. The second personal foul.
Huge 3 to make it a 1-possession game. Morales missed earlier. This time, he nailed it. First free throw is good for Waki Espina. And this free throw is crucial to make it a 2-possession game. Miss by Espina. Bricked it. And Blazers now asking for more time on the clock. Espina missed the free throw that would have put the game to bed. Now our officials are double checking the timer. It hit the side. And now the Blazers are asking that the clock shouldn't have moved. So 3.5 seconds on the game clock. Here we go, drama at the last game of the day. 3.5 seconds left. Here again was that free throw by Waki Espina. So now the time has been set to 3 because Waki Espina shot the free throw at 3 seconds, so it can't be 3.5. Here we go, Torres to inbound. Ancheta to Torres. Torres has to heave. Torres for the three! Torres with the 3 to tie it up. 104 to 104. There will be a review, but Ian Torres with an off-balance one-legged three-point shot at the horn. Chaos here inside the Blue Eagle gym. Oh, he got it off in time. It's good. What a shot. Off balance and all. With time to spare, off the window. Basket is good. We're headed to overtime. What a turn of events here. Four quarters are not enough to separate these two teams, and we are headed to overtime at 104 apiece. Ateneo versus CSB. Overtime coming up. So 5 minutes to determine who will come out on top. It is Ateneo versus CSB. What a way to cap off game number 4 and game day number 3 of the 2026 National Student Athlete Championship College Basketball Campus Tour. Liwag shows us the footwork. That's a miss. Tawano secures the rebound. If you're just tuning in, Ateneo led by as many as 14. Led really most of the way until the Blazers kept fighting back. As Bai scores the first 2 points of overtime. It was Mo Morales who hit the 3 to cut it within 2. Espinosa a split at the line. And then the hero, that man, Ian Torres, tied it up at 104. And he ties it up at 106 right now. Foul on Morales.
His first personal foul. Shot by for 2 shots.
Bahay has scored all 3 points for Ateneo in this overtime period. In and out for Bahay. Rebound secured by Baltazar. Tuano. Lost it on the way up. It will go the other way. Chance for CSB. Torres has scored the last 5 points, including the game-tying 3. Morales, short, gets his own miss, gets the bump, and put him on the line. Espina has been fouled out, and this is the first lead of CSB in the second half. Here is Tuano. Bahay with 10. With 5. Bahay still has it, falling away. Jared Bahay! Overtime takeover by Jared Bahay. Has scored all the points for Ateneo. Ancheta doesn't shoot the 3. The pass is stopped. Here comes Jared. 2.5 to play. Bahay 1-on-1 against Torres. Bahay is fouled. Torres, that will be foul number 4. Bahay has absolutely taken control here in the payoff period, in the extra session rather. Doing the heavy lifting on offense for Ateneo. Is up to 20 points. Makes it a 3-point game. Ancheta has it. Liwag brushes off Liao, but he lost it. They go to Bahay. Bounce pass. That was blocked by Morales. Last 2 minutes of overtime. Torres, short. Here is Alas against Celis. Kiefer with the offhand. No. Putback is good by Baltazar. Ancheta to Morales with a reverse counter and one. Morales has been huge in the final few minutes. Nice job by Ancheta to attract the defense. Then Morales went to the reverse. Morales was quiet for 3 quarters. He came alive in the waning moments of the fourth. Can't complete the three-point play, so it is 113 to 110. Near steal, ball will stay with Ateneo.
17 seconds.
Here is Tuano, leading scorer of Ateneo, gives it up to Bahay. Bahay with 8. Bahay, fierce drive, too strong. Gamber is there. Liwag, Morales, 3. Hits the front of the rim. Power for the rebound. It is with Liwag. And he steps out of bounds. Five-point game. Now remember, when we were in a similar situation at the end of regulation. Timeout on the floor. 5-point game.
Gusto niyo mag-games tomorrow again?
Here we go. Gamber with the inbound. Gamber hit a crucial putback to help Ateneo establish this 5-point edge.
Lalapit pa yung ano. Ano problema? Ano problema?
14 seconds on the shot.
Here we go. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Gamber to inbound. They put 2 on Sean. Here's the trap. Tuano escapes the trap. Tuano is rejected by Liwag with 5 to shoot.
5 seconds on the shot.
Gamber once again to inbound. Bahay, nowhere to go. Bahay steps out of bounds. Blazers still alive. 37 seconds left. Another timeout by CSB. They are down by 5 with 37.2 seconds left. .2 seconds left.
14 seconds on the shot.
CSB ball. Torres, who hit the game-tying 3 that sent this game to overtime, will inbound. They give it to Ancheta. 3 on the way. Short. Rebound Ancheta. Ancheta was blocked by Baltazar. Ball is saved. Alas has it. And that should do it. CSB needs to foul.
Foul number 34, Alan Lima. His first personal foul.
Unfortunate miss by Nicolas on that 3. Six-point game.
Pwede. Anong unahin niyo? Best player na.
Bahay, who has been huge here in the overtime period. What a fight back for CSB, but time is not on their side. Down by 7. Torres. And Liwag with the putback. Ancheta will foul Espinosa.
Foul number 17, Jovan Ancheta. Penalty, his first personal foul. First shot.
And Liwag doing the damage for CSB against Ateneo. Monster game once again for Liwag. 24 points, 10 rebounds, 7 assists, but it will not be enough.
Sabay nila bisok.
2 for 2 for Espinosa. That should do it here. Torres. Back-to-back buzzer beaters for Torres, but that will not be enough for CSB as Ateneo escapes with a 119-115 victory over the CSB Blazers in overtime fashion. The Eagles did just enough in the extra period to put away the very pesky CSB Blazers. Our player of the game is Sean Tuano. Did a lot of work in the regulation, 25 big points. Hit huge buckets every time to keep CSB at bay. He is our player of the game. Alan Liwag also had a phenomenal game. A near triple-double for Alan Liwag. He's our Reyes Barbecue rebounder of the game. 10 rebounds to go alongside his 26 points and 7 assists. Once again, Alan Liwag, our rebounder of the game. But Liwag and company will fall short to the Ateneo Blue Eagles. Once again, your final, Ateneo 119 and CSB 115. Ateneo stays perfect as they face UP